Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to extract this text, as you can see here, from this image that you can see here using Copilot, just using my smartphone. So let's get into it. So we want to try this out using Copilot AI app and see if it can accurately extract text from my image. Now I have here an image. Let me show you. So this is my image that contains text, and I'll let Copilot to go ahead and extract this text from this image so that I can edit it, or I can share it maybe in my Word document or in a Google document. Now what we're going to do is to upload our image here. So to get started, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on plus. And then when you tap on plus, you'll see the photo option, which is this. Go ahead and tap on it. So I'll go ahead and allow. Now this will take you direct to your phone, either to take a photo of the image, or you can as well take it from your phone gallery. And my image is already on my gallery, so I'll just go ahead. It is here. I'll go ahead and select it, and here we go. And now that we have uploaded it, let me tap on this arrow, and now here we can now instruct Copilot to go ahead and extract text from the image. So I'll ask extract text from the image, and let's see what Copilot will give us. So this was supposed to be text, okay, but it's still okay. So here we go. Now look at that. Wow. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. And let's compare if indeed the text is exact as it was in our image. So let me compare side by side. What was the first word? We are to provoke one another. We are to provoke one another. Great. Although it went ahead and added the opening speech here, which was not in the initial text. Apart from that, and also realize that bold and text, it didn't add the bold. Let me see number 4. Accept that. Very true. And the last word was quarrels, of which it did that perfectly well. And I get it that it went ahead and quoted all the extraction. That's why we have the closing speech mark here. So that's how you can extract text from an image just using your smartphone on Copilot. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me.